trading even works, if content creation even works, if any of that even works. The proof is in the pudding. See it hold this gap 100%, but if it takes off without me, then it is what it is. Betting on the continuation of the shorts. 200. I ain't risk too much, but like I said, I'm not risking a lot this week. And I need every single one of you guys that's watching this to understand. You don't need to make money for it to be a successful day. Whether you made money or lost money, that doesn't matter. You're not supposed to dictate whether it was a good or bad day from whether you made or lost money. You gotta show yourself proof of concept, because guess what? The days that it's hard, the days that you're taking L's, the days where it's not as easy to be motivated, you need something to look at. It doesn't get easier. I'm not gonna be like all these other people and tell you it's gonna get easier. It doesn't get easier, it only gets harder. But you know what happens? You get stronger. Good morning, everybody. Coming to you guys from the balcony. Hopefully this doesn't continue to fog up and everything. But it may be a little loud out here, but I started my morning coming out here. I got my book. I just got some coffee, drank it all. I was trying to multitask, trying to drink the coffee and read the book. It wasn't working, so I'm gonna start the book now that the coffee's over with. We started the morning routine. Like, this video is gonna be my daily schedule, because this is my daily schedule that I haven't been doing, but this is what I'm going to be trying to do moving forward. I wanna wake up every morning, and before I trade, before I go to the gym, before I take my girlfriend to work, before I do any of that, I wanna wake up and read a book. I wanna wake up and get myself mentally in the right space. Got some coffee, woke myself up. I didn't hit push-ups yet because I think I have like a strain or something from doing too many push-ups yesterday, crazily enough. Kind of cooked myself. I did too many push-ups. I think I just overdid it. I don't know. Right now it's kind of cooked. I'm gonna still go to the gym later on, but right now I'm gonna cool off on the push-ups for right now. I'm not trying to start my day off to a bad start, to a horrible start. So that's what we're doing right now. About to get the day started right. And then once we get done all this, we're just gonna slowly move into trading with VIP. We got some money to make. We got some lives to change. Let's continue doing what we do every day and have a great fucking day. Come on, dogs. Y'all been crying. Let's go for our walk. Come on. Come on. We're gonna go for our daily walk. You guys look like you had a blast over here. We about to get everything all started. Is my headset even over here? That's unfortunate. I don't think it's not. But I need to get on this call. Hold on, I gotta go get that headset. I need that. Yo, dogs, get away from me, dog. I need this headset. Yep, here we go. Secured. You better not run in that room. You better not run in that room. Yo, get out this room. We're gonna see what we can do though. We took some L's. We just gotta get a couple W's to get it all back though. But I definitely like the longs. If we can get a light slow retracement back, I'm definitely gonna take these longs. Like, I wanna see it hold this gap 100%, but if it takes off without me, then it is what it is. It looks like I already made a low, maybe at 6 o'clock or something. Not real tragic. I'm glad I missed the entry, but shit. Indecision. I'm just trying to give it time, because since this shit moving so much, it could go either way. Let's see. This is my only trade today. I just wanted to target that previous day's low. 15-minute gap at 10. Betting on the continuation of the shorts. We already came and rejected the 38.20%. I didn't get the better entry just to kind of be safe, but I'm gonna see what it closes at. I'm not taking anything after this. This is my one and only trade today. Let's see if it's gonna do me dirty. I try to have faith in you though. I got faith. Yeah, I just want that low. I don't need nothing crazy. 200. I ain't risk too much, but like I said, I'm not risking a lot this week. TP1 on that Jones. TP1 hit, stops to break even. Stops, break even. Okay, we got a W trade. Now let's see if we can hit TP fucking 2. TP2's at the previous day's low down. I need TP2. That's what I need. You ain't have to stop me at break even. We just hit TP1. You ain't have to close like this, bro. Just go up. Just go up. Don't go down. Just go up. Just go up. All right, so we just got done the VIP call. I had one break-even trade. I had a trade idea that would have been an L, but I ended up not taking the trade. But we had a break-even trade. I was only risking $200 on this trade. On the $1,000 account, if this trade would have hit TP, I probably would have made $400. But unfortunately, we got stopped at break-even. We hit TP1. We were up about $200, $250, and it came back and stopped us at break-even. But it eventually completely fell. So honestly, it is what it is. It's just one of those things to where we just got to manage risk. We just got to follow the rules. I could have taken another trade, but I'm not trying to force it. I would have had to been essentially chasing price. The ideal entry happened right at 9:30, but at 9:30, I was looking for the longs initially.
but I was kind of blinded by it. Went to look at the higher time frames, went to the 4 hours, thought it was a 4 hour gap, and that's where price ended up going at 9:30. So I missed the ideal, like the best entry. I waited for the shorts, waited for a retracement, never got the full retracement. Finally got a retracement, took the trade, got stopped at break even. So we'll just leave the day at a zero-sum day. I didn't lose money, didn't make money. I just lived the trade another day. We have more news this week. We also have NFP Friday. So there's still a lot of opportunity, still a lot of volume nonetheless. So it's still young. We got to get the rest of this day started. So let's do that. Let's not dwell on the shitty market conditions because this shit was trash. All right, dogs, we about to go get some food, go to a store or two, and then we'll be back to the humble abode. But for now, we up and out of here. Doing the dogs.
You're gonna be spoiled.
It's nice Benzo. I like it. It's not an AMG, but it's still nice. I hear somebody else's car. This be the only downside. Remember where we parked the car? And all this construction y'all hear. M3 or something. Alright, we gotta find a car. We got a C7 too. It's a black wing? I don't even know. And we found the car after all this mazery. Some go up, some go down, but some loop around to other ones that don't loop. Shit's confusing, man. But we here nonetheless. And it was on floor 8, just on the other dimension apparently. But first watch. 17,100 followers on Instagram. I need 100K, man. I need 100K. Now we out. Place out, we'll get the drink right up there. Get like a muffin and shit from there too. Never had anything from in here though. Next stop, Walmart. Right now I'm about to get my car washed. I'm trying to see if this shit gonna start. Am I supposed to press something? Or do I just drive all the way up? Guess I back up. Nigga, this is where I was. Drive ahead. Right there. I think I finally got where I was supposed to go. All right. Well, at least it's about to get clean, but it's about to rain outside. I honestly don't care to have the outside cleaned. I'm just cleaning the outside because I'm about to clean the inside. But after I get this washed, all in here, my girlfriend right now is getting her nails done, so I'm gonna take this car back to the apartment. I'm gonna clean the inside and everything, because when I was at Walmart, I got a few things for the crib. One, got myself a pull-up bar, so the pull-up bar is gonna be a cool addition to the crib. And then also back there, I got a whole thing for shit that I'm gonna clean the car with. So yeah, time to do that. But let me get this whole wash and shit done with the car, and then I can get the rest of my day going with the content and shit. Car cleaned and everything. I'm about to be at the apartment. I'm likely not gonna be here long. I still gotta get my girlfriend from her nail appointment. It does seem like it is starting to drizzle, but honestly, I got the inside for the most part cleaned up, so I'm not stressing the outside, and the water is gonna be water. Luckily, I got an apartment, like a garage now, so when it does rain, I can still put my car inside the garage and it won't necessarily get dirty, which is one benefit of being able to live in a apartment complex. You can see my apartment from right here. But yeah, we about to go park this on up, and I'm gonna talk to you guys real quick. I honestly just parked inside of a motorcycle spot, but you know what? I'm not leaving the car, so they try to give me a ticket. I'm gonna drive the fuck on out of here. Take these glasses off. Oh my God, haven't had these glasses off in a minute. Even though it's cloudy as shit outside, I just got blinded. Holy fuck. Okay, but how you guys doing today? I had a break-even trade. I haven't talked to you guys too much on the trade, but we had a break-even trade. But I want and I need every single one of you guys that's watching this to understand. You don't need to make money for it to be a successful day. You don't need to make $1,000, $100, $2,000, $3,000 on the day for it to be a W day. If you followed your rules, if you were disciplined, if you were consistently being patient, if you were consistently doing what you're supposed to, whether you made money or lost money, that doesn't matter. You're not supposed to dictate whether it was a good or bad day from whether you made or lost money. You can have a good day. You can have a great day following your rules, following your plan, and you're going to lose money. The fact that you made or lost money doesn't matter if it was a good day or not. It doesn't change the fact that it was a good day or not. Did you follow your rules? Were you consistent? Were you patient? Did you do what you're supposed to? Were you disciplined? That's what makes or break a good day. And I followed the rules. I didn't even lose money. That's a W day. I came to the market and I was able to predict the market being able to go from my entry to TP1. Some people, that was enough for their trade. In VIP, some of the people were able to get out at 1-to-1. I personally don't take profit at 1-to-1. I move my stop to break even. Me moving my stop to break even at 1-to-1 is a way of me being able to limit risk. And if I can continue to limit risk, I'm going to be able to continue to trade. Trading isn't a business where you're going to come here every day and make money. This is a business where you're going to turn money into more money, more times and less over time. People try to make trading their main income. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, trading is majority of my income, but it's not my only income, and I don't want it to be my only income. I would rather make $10,000 a month trading, make another $10,000 a month doing something else, make another $10,000 a month doing something else. Because guess what? If each or one of those things go down one month, I'm still good. I don't gotta chase the money. I don't gotta force trades. I don't gotta do none of that. And I need you guys to understand that. It's deeper than just being a trader. I don't want to be a trader. I want to be a self-employed entrepreneur. I want to be the most valuable person possible. I want to learn as many skills that I'm going to be able to monetize as possible. Simple as that. And I'm just here to show you guys what is possible. Because if I could do it, you could do it too. And I may sound like a broken record, but I need you guys to understand if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm no different than you. I was about to say I'm 17. I started trading at 17. I'm only 22. I'm just getting started. I just started going crazy with content. I just started going crazy with VIP. I just started going crazy with all of these things that make you guys so you even know me. We're only getting started, and I'm bringing each and every one of you with me. I'm showing you guys and telling you guys exactly what I'm going to do to get to the next point. So right now, I'm about to continue waiting for my girlfriend. I don't want to go inside the apartment just to have to leave again, so I'm going to chill wait right here.
Get this gas, man. Too much driving around. Gotta keep this shit filled up.
All right, now that we're home, time to put this up on that wall. Got a view too. And then after I do this, gotta take these dogs on another speed run. So I'm not trying to. Okay. I gotta build it? God damn it. Why can't shit come done? I'm tired of building shit. All these pieces. Not bad, not bad. Now, I'll put it the other way. So it goes. I think I gotta get it right in the middle so that these. There you go. Do it from this side. Huh? Do it from this side. Yeah. Whew.
Dog walk downtown. Beautiful. Little dog over there. Little dog and big dogs. Haven't gone on the hammock over there in a while. One of these days, I might just walk over.
Right now, we got done all the stuff when it comes to the pull-up bar and everything, but right now, I'm about to go get some food. I haven't gone to this pizza spot that's right down here. I want to go down to this pizza spot, test it out, get some food. And this sunset right now, just kind of watched it go down and everything. The sunset's crazy. Amazing sunset. It's one of the things that's very helpful with being able to get over these losing days, these break-even days, because one of the things most people fail to have is proof of concept, meaning proof of what they're trying to do, their system, their strategy, if trading even works, if content creation even works, if any of that even works. The proof is in the pudding. And it's something that I didn't necessarily have before. Put my camera up on there. But it's something I need every one of you to also do. It doesn't necessarily have to have an apartment like this. It could be even your car. It could be the fact that you're paying one of your bills from your business, from trading, something, your phone bill, going out to eat, using the money that you've made from your business, using the money that you've made from trading, from your skill set, outside of your job, outside of something that you're giving your time to make money. You got to show yourself proof of concept, because guess what? The days that it's hard, the days that you're taking L's, the days where it's not as easy to be motivated, you need something to look at. And when there's nothing to prove that you're actually on the right path, what are you going to do? It's going to be very hard to stick with it when times get hard. And trust me, It doesn't get easier. I'm not gonna be like all these other people and tell you it's gonna get easier. It doesn't get easier, it only gets harder. But you know what happens? You get stronger. You get better at handling it. You get better at handling the losses, the break-even trades, all the failures of just life in general, not even just trading, life in general. And that's one thing I need every single one of you to understand. Life isn't gonna be easy. Trading isn't gonna be easy. But we understand that. We knew that when we came to the game. The jobs never finished, but let's go get some food. This is a great little sunset right here, great little sunset.
See, this is the one benefit of being over here. We could walk to get food instead of driving. Clean the car, I don't gotta bring it out, possibly get rained on. Could just go straight to get some food, walk back. Nice and easy. They not even open, man. Today the one day they close. This some bullshit. Going to the car. Pizza was a fail, so Chick-fil-A it is. Look over there, young boy. Look at them cars. Look at that, how clean it is. I cleaned the rims too. I put the, what is the rim coat? Good John, good John. That shit fire. Not like this John though. They haven't cleaned this in I don't even know how long, bro. That shit bad.
And team, this is where the video is gonna come to. And overall, this is gonna be the wraps of day one of the first trading day of the winter. Essentially, it's October 1st, first trading day of the winter. And if you guys didn't know, when it comes to things outside of trading, this is gonna be the best time to be posting content. Why? Because the holidays. We got Thanksgiving, we got Christmas, we got Halloween, we got all these major holidays, like the major top holidays. And it's end of the year, quarter four, all the spending is gonna be happening. It's gonna be time to make money. We're gonna have volume in the charts more than likely. So both content and trading, it should be coming to a good little end to the year. So 2025, it should be off to a good start. But with that being said, if you wanna learn how to trade, my daily concepts, what I use on a day-to-day basis to get in and out of trades, my risk management strategy, everything when it comes to trading, completely free. Free trading course in the description, free trading webinars in the description. And when you're ready to join a team of like-minded individuals so you can take my trades, watch me trade, be in a community of like-minded individuals on a daily basis, join VIP. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'm see you guys for tomorrow's daily video.